Finally, a much awaited feature in Schoology, and that is the recurring calendar event. To utilize that, you are just going to go ahead and click on the calendar, and you can access this through multiple ways. And let's click on tomorrow, which happens to be my birthday. And we will go ahead and here's the event. I can put in a date and time, and let's say it's going to happen at 9 a.m. And then now you can see I have this repeat option. I can say never if it's a one-time event, and then I have some customization. Now, one thing I will say is Schoology did mention when they launched this feature that they're still working on other ways to customize this. So this is kind of that initial launch, which seems to be pretty appropriate for school settings. But let's say every Wednesday, this Google Meet, let's say, is going to happen. I would go ahead and say until when, and I'm just going to go ahead and let's pick towards the end of the school year. So every Wednesday till the end of the school year, it's going to be a Google Meet. So once I go ahead and put that information in, I can say maybe something like class Google Meet. And I can say, here is the link for our weekly meeting. And however I want to put that in there is pretty much up to me, but I can insert that link just like that if I wanted to. Class Meet. Go ahead and click insert, and there we go. I go ahead and click create, and I'm going to have to pop out of here for just a second. As you may know in Schoology, you often have to refresh things. So now you can see those Google Meets as they occur. And please note that these will show up in the order that your events are going to happen. So if you have other assignments or other upcoming events, Schoology will kind of figure that out and make sure that your upcoming events shows up appropriately. But if I click on the calendar, I can see that here are all my Google Meets. I can click on this one, and let's say I want to view this particular item, see if there's any further information. I can choose to delete it, and I can choose to delete this event, this and all the future events, or all the events pertaining to this recurring. I'm just going to go ahead and delete this particular event, one, because I believe it's over spring break. So let's see what that looks like. Now when I go into my calendar, I can see that I have the recurring events, but the one that we don't need is removed. So a nice feature that is added, and again, it's an enhancement that's going to continue to be added to, so there will be some further customization options, but for right now, it is a good start.